Now let me show you this. Welcome back to my channel. I remember myself as Johnsonkeyz. Now I want to show you this nice way of starting a song. Let's look at this song. Ẹ̀yin ṣá la wí máa yẹ̀ wò. Ẹ̀yin ṣá la lè ṣe. Ẹ̀yin ṣá la sọ̀rọ̀ má ta sé, a sọ̀rọ̀ má ta sé. Àwí máa yẹ̀ tí mi. Ẹ̀yin ṣá. So the song ends. La wí máa yẹ̀ wò. So a song's end. Àwí máa yẹ̀ wò. So a song ends on, instead of ending on one, àwí máa yẹ̀ wò, àwí máa yẹ̀ wò. So you're going, instead of ending the song on one or ending it on four like you do people like SMD and Co, you just do this. You go start your 736 back. Àwí máa yẹ̀ mi láti sọ́dún fá. So the chords E and A flat, right? D, G and B flat. 3 A, E, G, D flat, F, A and C. Then on your left you have for 6 you have a D and A. Right you have a C, E, F and A. Then you do this chord. But let's do this. On left hand we have a A flat. Sorry, we have this is D flat. Sorry, guys. This is D flat. Then on your right you have a B, E flat, F and A. Then 5. I love this 5. I love the 5. 5 C in the key of F. Your 5 is C. So your right hand is E major 7. Yeah, that's B flat, G, E flat and G. So C mi la Z so then 1. So you have to take this B flat to this to get your 1 chord. So àwí máa yẹ̀ wò. Ẹ̀yin ṣá. So that's it. So àwí máa yẹ̀ wò. Yeah. Ẹ̀yin ṣá. So you use that to key the singer back to the 4. So àwí máa yẹ̀ wò. Ẹ̀yin ṣá. Let me give you this 1 chord. On left we have a F and B flat. On right F and E flat. Sorry. On right we have A, D, F sharp and A. So yeah. Then to your 4. Your 4 chord is B flat and F. On your left A, D, F and A on your right. So àwí máa yẹ̀ wò. Ẹ̀yin ṣá. I love eating this kind of songs with the right chords. If you want me to break this chord song down, just write in the comment section. God bless you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button for more. Bye.